us about what you were wanting with the bushes. It's about halfway there. All right, here's a video. All right, here's a video of the tree and a video of the driveway. Everything's cleaned up. Video of this tree here. Video of also what the ground is looking like now. And ground over here. And there's that tree. And the ground over here looks good. I've always wondered